Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 19th, 2021. Yes, I have a very hard one Sudoku to solve. Instead of 3 stars, 4 stars. And now it's time for a binary puzzle number 3709. What kind of binary? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then yeah. Well, 3 ones we have here. I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this row. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Then we have a double O here, here one, there one. We have here 3 O's. If I place the number 4 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row. So this box can be an O. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so we have the rest are ones. I cannot place here. We have 3 O's. I cannot place the number 4 here. Then we have 3 ones in a row. In this row, not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. I think we need to compare now. Yeah. Let me compare. 1 O O. Yeah, this column and that column. Empty box. 1 1 O O O O 1 1 O O 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Double O here. 1 there. 1. Double 1 here. No there. No. Finished in 3 minutes. Wow. Wow. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third and last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.